at every change in consciousness on the planet. The great dragon comes out of the sky and comes to earth. And I was very fortunate to be with a good friend one day over close to Bristol when we were looking around for a piece of property that we thought would be nice to start what I call the City of Light. And we walked out into the area on the other side of Bristol and a little bit north, and we felt the magnetic energy and we saw a sort of a glowing light. We went over and went up on this hill, and we found a circle of stone that was creating a beautiful magnetic energy. And we found a sacred place. And a sacred place on planet Earth is where the trees grow in a circle, perfect circle. And when we stood in the perfect circle, we felt this most beautiful energy that gives peace and well-being. And we found all kind of little animal tracks that come and get into this circle, and replenish themselves and leave. And so we went back up and sat down and was meditating on the highest rock in this circle. And I saw, coming out of the east, a magnificent ray of light coming from beyond, and it was making like a dragon. And it came right into where we were sitting, because new dispensations are coming to earth. The great time has changed. Most people don't understand this or don't want to understand it, but it's still happening. And it's going to happen, and things on earth are going to change. A new dispensation has come, and that is to know and to know that you know what life's all about, and no longer the belief systems of arguing and fussing and hating each other, who's right or who's wrong. We will each unfold ourselves to know. We will know where we came from, we'll know why we're here, and we'll know what to do, we'll do it, and we'll know where we'll go after we have finished our work.